really enjoyed the class. It was a lot of hands-on, and unlike other workshops and stuff that I've been to, you don't sit in class and have somebody tell you how to do something to show you how to do something. You actually get to do it. So it makes me feel like I've accomplished more by doing that than just sitting here and trying to learn how to cook. I build decks, outdoor furniture, pergolas, that kind of thing. From what I've seen, I can use this in outdoor kitchens. Even some of the pictures that I've seen, this stuff would work great around fire pits, indoor kitchens, floors. Try a little bit of everything with it.
Studying it and researching for so long and actually able to get a hands-on aspect of it definitely I think is a futuristic thing for a lot of people to do. 4 days it didn't cover a lot, but it covered a lot for beginners. If you want to learn your product and learn times, I think it's definitely a great class to attend.
Definitely excited about coming back and getting the dance class. Like, we will be here every year consistently to get more knowledge. You just learn so much, and it is 4 days, so it's not a lot of time, but you learn so much in those 4 days. And as long as you're paying attention and taking notes and really just being involved, you're gonna get a lot out of it. I came in not really knowing anything about carpentry, so I just learned how to build an entire countertop in a day. And I feel like I can literally go build a countertop by myself, or with my husband, with a team of 2 people, by myself, without having, you know, to really call and ask around, hey, am I doing this right? Like, I feel really confident about doing that on my own right now. And again, like, I didn't have that experience coming in.
I thought it was very educational. I learned a lot. I'm not a contractor, so I'm more of an artist, so I learned a lot of the contracting side of it and how I would install and go about doing my countertops. I don't have to rush to do the epoxy. I can let it sit and then still be able to work with it. I've always thought that, you know, you've got a 15-minute window, and I'm finding out that you have a lot more time.